as Palat got a piece of him. Now it's banked up ahead to Kucherov. Kucherov into the middle for Point. Brayden Point in. He scores! Brayden Point makes it 3-0.
What an unreal move by Brayden Point. He had a partial break early in the game and ran out of racetrack. I thought he was out of racetrack on this one too. But watch him swivel his way around. Kucherov will set him up again. He's coming late on the play, puts it through the triangle on Weegar, who doesn't have any backward speed, and then picks it up on the other side. How about that for some edge work, folks? If you want to know how to power skate and maneuver your body and have balance, look at this at high speed. That is brilliant. Really well covered, as well as covered as you can be for Spencer Knight, but his legs just aren't long enough to stay with Brayden Point, who is a big moment guy, just like he was last year in the playoffs with huge goals.